Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Fulfillment. He thought buying luxury items would bring him fulfillment, but most of them turned out to be counterfeit. Fulfillment. He thought buying luxury items would bring him fulfillment, but most of them turned out to be counterfeit. Counterfeit. The police seized the counterfeit money before the criminal could resume his illegal operations. Counterfeit. The police seized the counterfeit money before the criminal could resume his illegal operations. To resume. The witches waited for the moon to rise to resume the secret meeting of their coven. To resume. The witches waited for the moon to rise to resume the secret meeting of their coven. Coven. The youngest member was cast out of the coven and forced to live in a lonely exile. Coven. The youngest member was cast out of the coven and forced to live in a lonely exile. Exile. After years in exile, the old man started talking to rocks, making everyone think he was a bit out there. Exile. After years in exile, the old man started talking to rocks, making everyone think he was a bit out there. Out there. His ideas might seem out there, but he actually has a splendid plan for the new gallery. Out there. His ideas might seem out there, but he actually has a splendid plan for the new gallery. Splendid. The gala was splendid, filled with sophisticated guests in elegant evening gowns. Splendid. The gala was splendid, filled with sophisticated guests in elegant evening gowns. Sophisticated. Even though the design was sophisticated, the critic began to nitpick every small detail. Sophisticated. Even though the design was sophisticated, the critic began to nitpick every small detail. Nitpick. I don't want to nitpick, but the saltiness of the soup is a tad overwhelming. Nitpick. I don't want to nitpick, but the saltiness of the soup is a tad overwhelming. A tad. Adding a tad more creativity to your work might finally lead to a sense of professional fulfillment. A tad. Adding a tad more creativity to your work might finally lead to a sense of professional fulfillment.